The headlines. CEO Manipur chairs meeting with DEOs and SPs to review preparedness for ensuing Lok Sabha polls. Irabot Foundation Manipur urges state government to release funds for farmers. And Universal Mothers Organization calls for unity to protect motherland. Hello. Welcome to Northeast Window. This is Valentina giving you the latest news updates. That is now the news in detail. Chief Electoral Officer CEO Manipur Pradeep Kumar Jha chaired a meeting with all the districts, election officers, DEOs and superintendents of police SPs to review the preparedness for the ensuing general elections to the 18th Lok Sabha 2024 at the conference hall of the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer Manipur today. During the meeting, the Chief Electoral Officer briefed the district election officers and superintendents of police on matters including training of poll personnel, their dispersal, security arrangement for smooth conduct of the election. In the meeting, matters like setting up of special polling stations for internally displaced persons and arrangement for the voting of the general elections to the 18th Lok Sabha 2024 were also discussed. The DEOs and SPs highlighted the issues of their requirements for the smooth conduct of the election exercise and shared their views and opinions regarding the preparedness of the ensuing election in their concerned districts. Additional CEO N. Praveen Singh, State Police Nodal Officer, joint CEOs and other state nodal officers also attended the review meeting among others. In another session, the Chief Electoral Officer also held a meeting with the representatives of different national and state political parties. President of Irabot Foundation Manipur, 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐬 maintained that the government's failure to provide any assistance to farmers of sericulture, horticulture, fisheries and veterinary who have been immensely affected by the state crisis that has lasted for the past 11 months is government's sheer indifference towards the plight of the farmers. Addressing media persons at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club's Thangjing Hall today, 𝐲𝐸𝐬 decried the government's failure to release funds for farmers of sericulture, horticulture, fisheries and veterinary amidst this trying time and urged the government to release the funds at the earliest. Mentioning that compensation for agricultural farmers has been released, he cautioned the farmers about the attempts to create division among the farmers after the announcement of dates for Lok Sabha elections. Stressing the need for farmers to take a united stand, 𝐲𝐸𝐬 urged them to not attend any election campaign or tea party and to cast their votes for candidate of their choice on the day of poll.
COVID की मतलब देखिए लोगों की थेनरी बात ड्राउट की फ्लड की थेनरी बात सेंस ऑफ सीक्वेंस ऑफ सही हम जे थंगा ना ड्राउट ना थंगा फ्लड सुमाना थोगदी बस नेचुरल डिजास्टर की कारण अब थोक तो होता ना तो गदो सिंदो कोई मणिपुर की वजह थी बस लोग इशू लग रही था अदुना मरम और कांदा फार्मेसी में से मसा की मरम तो मराई रखता लाइव तक तम बाहर की कुर्सी मरे नंबर नहीं दो अदु की पोर अदु कोई रात हम से मणिपुर में यम करना कंसर्न हो जरा कांदा कोई नौमी सिंगी कोई बासी सिंगसिदा खरे है नमीन सगन की अपाम को हम को कोई सुमन तुम जगे अदुगा स्पेशल पैकेज में कोई मणिपुर की कोई वाइबा नौमी सिंगी नामी सिंगसिदा पिरक्री फावगी कोई ना हमसे आयाम बकतम सिदा वोट की मतलब लोक सभा की इलेक्शन नक्सल मियाम पुनमक से मरोइना पॉलिटिकल पार्टी मैम से masa pamba koi masa khap na magi mi thadong ba magi mi vote kaning ba adui irang na lo na taw na le hai lo ko asmati ko yang na lai thibani habisma so ai thamjage.
President of a Universal Mothers Organization, 𝐂𝐲𝐻𝐸𝐬 has contended that how will peace prevail in the state when members of the oldest outfit, which has signed a peace agreement with the government, at long last are arrested. She called upon all the Maira Bhaibis to take a resolute stand on the matter in this crucial juncture. She was addressing media persons at the office of organization at Lumphel today. 𝐂𝐲𝐻𝐸𝐬 said, "People across the valley have been demanding unconditional release of 3 arrested cadres of Pambai-led UNLF. However, the authority concerned has not heeded the demand till date," she lamented. Condemning the silence of Narendra Modi on Manipur crisis, Sarojini maintained that the partisan attitude of the Prime Minister is evident from the fact that he could visit Assam but would not come to Manipur. Expressing disappointment over the infighting within the same community, she said, "The common people are now confused as to what to trust and which path to take." Further stressing the need for unity to save the motherland, she called upon the people to refrain from selfish conducts.
India government amari state government ga pagi waroshin or aba haibadi political dialogue tawna la aba azigumba ULF e pambai liching makhaza laiba army chief amari mahaka chapminariba pagi ingba amari makoi ahumbo condition amata yaudana thado o haidana ima mayamna ngachi phawba magi chinwa chungna lauri khongi adubo ngachidi matau kramaine India government na Manipur laiba north east ki manungda laiba lalhoba singune haiba dumba singdugo shanti wari sanane haidana chaba hawra iba sibawada phadil agadi kramaina ayingba tangdu lai chaba ama porakani haidana manga Modi na laukibado 2024 phawi manungda north east laiba loinamak agency punamak shop tawani haina mana moirang hanubda lakla ngangi ba pudimak to akoidi yam chamne India gi manungda laibani na khallakada afaba lambida porokana khallambani adugumlaba ngasai malai ani longba ngasi phawida Manipur thoiba thogdok singda ngasi Guwahati phawla aga Modi na Guwahati phawla padi ngamaga Manipur da laktaba haiba se yorokaba amadi adugi ona tainabada wari sanariba adugumba army chief haba haje makhaza lehoriba aduguma ningtam lalhogi jamakta amadi ima leibak kannabagi jamakta hogi koki terrorist na thengnariba adugumba ULF ki pambagi liching makhaza leiba chidaba makpu amadi maga loinaba miyo omje kudakta thado o habate Hawasana Tadri. Tadamana Maramorkana Hujiti. I quit Imanga, Tien Bayara Rojaba, Kala, Tapasuya Rojaba. I quit you like Lepas of what Tandaya.
The JAC, against the unfair final merit list of SSC Constable GD 2022-23, expressed gratitude to the Chief Minister of Manipur on the swift action taken and the subsequent cancellation of the final results of the SSC Constable GD 2022-23. Speaking to media persons at the Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of the JAC, 𝐿𝐲𝐻𝐸𝐬 said that representatives of the JAC submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister yesterday as several candidates securing higher marks were not selected in the final merit list. Expressing satisfaction on the corrigendum issued by SSC yesterday that a new final merit list will be declared, he appealed to the concerned authority to take utmost care to avoid any error in the final result. He further stated that they will take legal recourse if the final result is not based on merit.
Outer MP da the governor, the chief minister, the issue memorandum brothers from Muslim brothers mayam su koi pulap collaborate tongminaraga tabakse tongminabane Nepali brothers mayam amasu yaure from different communities brother mayam je punjalaga tholaiba result si penadre haibadagi akoi mayam je punjalakan sida date 16 da akoi mayam je punjalaga chief minister da memorandum am pisanjare governor da su memorandum am pisanjare adugi matung sida akoi je legal fight tongnabagi damakta su ready da leijabane akoi na penadre jina kari da penagi tabano haira kan sida mark wang phangaga for example 120 gi mathakta phangma mi yauri adu mayam loina na thai birama kan sida 45 khak phangba khangat pirapagumba adagidi ST ngakta khalle hairaga su ST marakta gi su 90 mathakta phangma yauri adu khaidu su loi langthok pirama aduga khangat pi khibudu da pn da badagi khoi je kan hona jabane adagidi JC ama su semjare JC ama semjara kan sida khoina chief minister honorable chief minister da unabagi appointment amtang logjage harakan sida koina unajabani ngarang date 18 je nungtil pung amam ta basai du unai koi representative koi tarang phulaga unabagan sida pabung na ju higher authorities da wari chana biraga koi the assurance bibire yamthon action lokana nabagi.
Residents of former principal in charge of 𝐂𝐲𝐰𝐬 Junior High School, late 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 Dinesh, at Narmthong Laishram Lerak was completely gutted by fire today. The unfortunate fire incident took place around 11:45 this morning. The cause of the fire is suspected to be an explosion in a cooking gas cylinder. A team of fire service rushed to the house to contain the fire. No casualty was reported in the incident. However, the house was completely reduced to ashes. Wife of late Dinesh, 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 Sandhya Rani, was given first aid on the spot after she collapsed witnessing the raging fire. Now it's time for a short commercial break.
Welcome you all to UNAPO School Channel in Fal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loy nga hingliba sing tama gi manungda control to ngamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tama gi manungda hantaba ngamle. Kong hama nungai basu numit mga gi manungda fahan ngamle. Pile sabadi nungsang nabasu chama de chama fahan ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamle. BP wangbasu tama gi manungda normal oiba ngamle. Fatty liver oibasu tama gi manungda fagan ngamle. Punamak natural oiba hidak makalna lain Germany. Hakjang sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata hidak chawagi matho sutaroi. Hena kumaparo gidamak nasimak langsin biro. Diabetes Hospital Soybam Lekai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Infal East near Punjab National Bank.
Mega Minds Coaching Institute for competitive exams. Endorsed and guided by successful IAS, MCS and bankers. ZFC General Foundation course for SSC, Banking, UPSC and MPSC. Now at Thoba. Mega Minds, empowering the aspirants.
Introducing a new challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle, sense of wellness and helping behaviors, develop etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited sets, so grab the opportunity. We also provide specialized classes on main topics like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solution, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, Modern Market, Pauna Bazaar in Pop. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Welcome back. At least 2 persons were killed and a minor girl was critically injured in a road mishap at Nungoi Lokod in Lamlai Assembly constituency last evening. The accident reportedly took place around 6 last evening. The deceased persons have been identified as Sapam Premjit, 30, of Nongada Thongkong, and Mutum Hemba, 27, son of M. Ibomcha of Nongada Shantipur. The injured girl is the daughter of the deceased Sapam Premjit. She reportedly broke both her hand and leg in the mishap and has been admitted to Raj Medicity. A woman was gang raped by 4 men at Lakhimpur Meitei village, Assam this morning. The Meitei woman who was going for a morning walk was gang raped by 4 Meitei Pangals, taking advantage of the darkness in the early hours this morning. A large number of irate Meiteis have reportedly stormed Lakhimpur police station against the rape.
Mana anyhow tauna apai kari hai umar kit sajado adu pihan na bekan na hona ne na hai mana adu magi wani ko mana di adwaina haire adu asi suni siga id mayam id mayam gathering tawrati sunu tamina photo contact problem lei aduna tonga na mo moda press meet tawraga mayam changna press meet tawraga organization puno pullaga press meet tawraga amtang Assamese होगेरा बेंगोली होगेरा हिंदी होगेरा बेस्टली हम तबरगा फांसी चाय जैसा मतलब ताबसे अदु वहाँ तो डिमांड तो गुजरी बनी.
Acting on credible intelligence, 2 teams of Assam Rifles launched a mission to dismantle a suspected training camp of village volunteers and anti-national elements in general area Pengpalep, Tengnopal district along Lokchau River on Sunday, an official statement from the Assam Rifles said. The operation unfolded seamlessly as both teams meticulously combed the area, establishing cordons and conducting thorough searches. Although the insurgents had fled the camp, evidence of insurgent training was evident, including a firing range, obstacle training course, and temporary bamboo structures, it said. The statement continued that in a swift and decisive move, all structures, including unoccupied bunkers, were demolished to prevent future utilization by insurgents. A significant cache of weaponry and ammunition, including improvised grenade launchers and IEDs, was recovered and subsequently handed over to the Moreh police station for legal proceedings, it added. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. CEO Manipur chairs meeting with DEOs and SPs to review preparedness for ensuing Lok Sabha polls. 𝐻𝐸𝐸 Foundation Manipur urges state government to release funds for farmers. And Universal Mothers Organization calls for unity to restore peace in state. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.